Imagine having a compact fridge that keeps your drinks ice cold and your food fresh anywhere. Whether on a road trip, camping, or off-grid adventure, the Inner D18 makes it possible. The Inner D18 offers 19 quarts 18 liters of storage, holding up to 23 cans or 15 bottles, balancing capacity and portability perfectly. It features four versatile power options: DC 12 24-speaker outlet, AC 110 to 240 volts household outlet, and an optional 171 Wh detachable battery for up to 24 hours of off-grid cooling, and solar panel compatibility for true mobile freedom. Its compressor delivers fast cooling from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 minutes and down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit in 25 minutes, functioning as both a fridge and freezer with temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating modes include Max for rapid cooling at 38 West and Eco for energy saving at 25 West, making it highly efficient for long trips or solar setups. Durable and practical design features shockproof construction up to 30 tilt, quiet operation at 43 decibels, and 3-level vehicle battery protection to prevent draining your car battery. Weighing just over 20 pounds with compact dimensions, it's easy to carry, secure in a vehicle, and perfect for campers, hikers, rovers, and road trippers. User-friendly digital controls let you set temperature, switch between modes, and adjust battery protection levels. Simple maintenance includes manual defrost, drain plug for melted ice, and easy interior cleaning. Before first use, allow 6 to 12 hours upright to let compressor fluid settle, ensuring long-lasting performance and avoiding damage. Real-life scenario: picture hitting a weekend camping trip or a long road trip, opening the D18 to find ice-cold drinks and fresh snacks ready, all without worrying about power outlets or ice. The detachable battery sold separately adds true portability, and can even be charged while powering the fridge, giving unmatched flexibility for off-grid adventures. Explore how the Inner D18 can transform your trips, keeping your food fresh and drinks chilled no matter where the road takes you. Discover the convenience, versatility, and freedom of portable cooling for your adventures. Looking for a portable fridge that delivers freezer-cold performance without breaking the bank? Bookerv 12 volts refrigerators might be the budget-friendly solution you didn't know you needed. Bookerv has carved a niche in the 12 volts portable fridge market by offering feature-rich, affordable alternatives to brands like Dometic, ARB, and ISCO. Compressor-based cooling ensures rapid chill, dropping temperatures from 77 degrees Fahrenheit to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in about 15 minutes and down to -5 degrees Fahrenheit in roughly 50 minutes, keeping food fresh and drinks ice-cold even on long trips. Power-efficient design lets you choose between Eco and Max modes, using as little as 36 Ust in Eco and up to 45 to 60 W in Max mode, making them perfect for car batteries, portable power stations, or solar setups. Quiet operation around 45 decibels means you can run the fridge in vehicles or tents without disturbance, and shockproof construction handles uneven roads or a 30 tilt effortlessly. Dual zone capability on larger models lets you set one compartment as a freezer and the other as a fridge, offering versatile storage for meat, beverages, and snacks. Convenience features include LED interior lighting, removable baskets, touch-sensitive panels, USB ports, wheels, telescopic handles, and even Bluetooth app control for temperature monitoring and adjustments from your phone. User feedback highlights excellent value for money, reliable cooling, low power consumption, and versatility, making Bookerv ideal for campers, van lifers, and overlanders. Some common user notes include occasional temperature variance, potential minor dents, and cable connectivity issues, but these are often mitigated with external thermometers or secure DC connections. Compared to premium brands, Bookerv offers accessibility and added features like app control and mobility options at a fraction of the price, though extreme overlanding may call for more rugged competitors. Picture a weekend road trip or a multi-day camping adventure. Your food stays fresh, drinks stay cold, and you never have to buy ice or worrying about power, making travel simpler, stress-free, and more enjoyable. Bookerv fridges blend performance, convenience, and affordability, making them a practical entry point for anyone new to portable refrigeration or those who value efficiency without overspending. If you're curious about how a Bookerv 12-volt fridge can transform your road trips, camping adventures, or van life experience, explore further to see the features and setups that make portable refrigeration smarter, easier, and more enjoyable than ever. Imagine having a compact fridge that keeps your drinks ice cold and your food fresh anywhere you go. Road trips, camping, or van life just got easier with the Alpicool Y19e. The Alpicool Y19e offers 19.8 liters, 21 quarts of storage, holding up to 25 cans or 18 bottles, balancing space and portability perfectly. Its powerful compressor cooling can reach -4 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius, making it both a refrigerator and freezer, with Fast Max mode for quick chilling and Eco mode for energy savings. Dual power options let you use it via 12 volts, 240 car outlet, or 100 to 240 VAC at home, ideal for pre-cooling or mobile use. Weighing around 19 pounds with a sturdy handle and tie-down slots, it's easy to transport and secure in vehicles, boats, or RVs. Built-in battery protection with low, medium, and high settings prevents draining your vehicle's battery, giving peace of mind on long trips. The digital control panel, temperature memory, and optional Bluetooth app control make it simple to adjust settings and monitor temperatures from your smartphone. Other features include automatic defrost, reliable insulation, removable door for cleaning, and USB charging for devices, adding convenience for outdoor adventures. Real-life example. Imagine hitting a weekend camping trip, opening the Y19e to find ice cold drinks and fresh sandwiches ready after hours on the road, all without worrying about power or space. Common minor issues like condensation, temporary compressor noise, or error codes can usually be resolved with simple troubleshooting, keeping the fridge reliable and hassle-free. For campers, van lifers, truckers, and outdoor enthusiasts, the Y19e combines portability, powerful cooling, and smart features in a compact design, offering a practical and affordable solution compared to larger, more expensive models. If you're curious how the Alpicool Y19e can make your trips cooler, more convenient, and stress-free, explore further to see why it's becoming a favorite among mobile adventurers everywhere.